A Russian military drone launched an attack on a checkpoint in the Hnutovo region, Donetsk, Ukraine, Wednesday, February 2, 2022. This attack nearly killed a Ukrainian military soldier. The deadly Russian military drone strike took place at around 8:30 local time. The Hnutovo checkpoint, which is guarded by a number of Ukrainian military personnel, became an easy target for the attack. Russian military drones are said to have fired VOG explosives into a corridor at the outpost. Today at around 8:30 Russian occupation forces opened fire on the Hnutovo checkpoint in the Donetsk region. The enemy used an unmanned aerial vehicle to drop VOG fire into the corridor passing through the checkpoints, read a statement from the press service of the Ukrainian Joint Forces Operations. Luckily, the attack by the Russian military drone did not result in any casualties or injuries. However, there was a Ukrainian soldier who escaped death after being hit by VOG explosive shrapnel. Luckily, the shard hit a metal Ukrainian military ID card. Such criminal acts of the occupying Russian forces once confirmed, the enemy willfully violated the ceasefire and openly ignored the requirements of humanitarian law, which was applied in the conflict. The JFO statement continued, launched by Russian troops.